Brother Ben here. Brother Ben. Now, Ben got a heck of a program. A lot of people listening to Brother Ben. And Ben tells them about the minister. And Ben tells them about the minister.
One of my questions were, because I'm new in the nation, I started to put clips out from different lectures of the minister, and I've always strived to add context, just making sure that the message isn't lost in being too polarizing, because a lot of things that the minister say can grab your attention, but a lot of times when you're giving it to people who don't have the context, it can get taken out of context. So what would be your advice as far as improvements that we can make as far as making clips and doing things like that, so that we make sure that the message is clear, yet still concise enough that people can grab onto it?
I'm always striving to be like our minister. He says that when it comes to quoting his teacher, the most honorable Elijah Muhammad, he's very careful in quoting him. And he's always striving to quote him perfectly. So when we're posting clips and captions, what's our motive for posting it? Our job in the nation is resurrection. So the question has to be, when I post this and put the minister's quote in that caption, and I love too myself, as he's been teaching me, putting the date and the year is so important too, because I know you all see when you put these 5 clips up and get all these hundreds of thousands of views, so many people are saying, where can I watch the full video at? Because we're in a day now, people want to hear the whole thing now. They want the whole meal, not just a slice of the pie, right? So with that, when we posting it, is this going to resurrect those who listen to it? And is it going to draw them in to want to know more? So at the end of the day, everything we post should be about raising everybody 1 degree higher.
And Ben tells them about the minister.